So everyone has been wondering, should Airbus make the A360? Well, this is coming from my opinion, whether they should make it or not. Well, I think they should probably make it because it's just kind of weird to see a gap, which will be like, it goes from A3, the A300s, the A310s, A320, and the A320 series. And like it's weird to see it go from the A350 all the way to the A380. Isn't that kind of weird? But nonetheless, I actually think they should make the A360. It would be nice. I mean, I wonder what other airplanes they would make. But for now, I am sticking with it. And in the next video, we're going to be wondering why can they not make the A370, or it'll probably be my opinion of why they can make the A370. A370. But for now, the A360 on my side, yes. Or maybe no. Well, that's it for me. But nonetheless, this is just my opinion for now. Soon I will make a full video about it.